Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Citroen Berlingo panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes in the driver edition trim level, which grants it front fog lights, gloss black 16 inches alloys, gloss black power fold mirrors, color-coded rear bumpers with parking sensors, a rear view camera mounted at the brake light level, and then over the curb side, one blind spot camera localized just underneath the passenger side mirror. The back is equipped with a full metal bulkhead and a lighting fixture over the roofline, plus an anti-slip mat over the floor. You also have access to 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. Size-wise, it's 123 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 119 centimeters of height at the lowest point of the roof, and an extensive 173 centimeters of length over the floor. In the back, as part of the asphalt pack, you can also find a really useful weight sensor that will warn you if you're either overweight or within the cargo capacity. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration, with the driver's seat being fully adjustable, and a 2-seat bench for the passengers, the middle seat of which can be easily reclined to access an extensible and pivoting table. The vehicle comes fitted with 2 locked glove compartments, one in front of the passenger and one in front of the driver. The 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel is adjustable in height and depth and houses the settings for the infotainment media remote plus voice commands and a quick dial to scroll through the various trip computer options. And over the right hand side, more infotainment and call commands. As part of the asphalt pack, you get automatic headlights and cruise control, plus automatic wipers. On the armrest side, you can find the dial to adjust the height of the main beam, plus the controls for the power fold mirrors and power windows. As I mentioned before, the vehicle comes with 2 different cameras. The third brake light camera, which will work both as a digital rear view mirror and will automatically adjust to a wide angle view with trajectory adjustment whenever you insert the reverse camera, or a blind spot camera aimed at the passenger side. The infotainment is a Citroen NAC fitted with navigation system with connected option to have real-time traffic information and detours, plus DAB radio and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through USB cable. And obviously you have the Bluetooth option just for calls. From here you can also access toggles for the parking sensors, traction control, and quick diagnostic of the system, plus toggles to switch on and off the auto fold of the mirror, the guide me home and welcome lighting, plus the door cabin unlocking. Underneath the infotainment you find the air conditioning controls, plus the toggle for the heated mirrors, the electronic handbrake, and then the vehicle is fitted with a 5-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Driver Edition. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.